Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch washing machine and you're getting an E11 error. So what is this error and how do we get rid of it? So the E11 error means that the washing machine is trying to fill up with water and it can't. So it gives itself, it opens the water valve to pump water in. It gives itself a certain amount of time to get filled up, and after a certain amount of time it will throw up this E11 error saying it's unable to fill the water fast enough. So because depending on the kind of water flow, the piping and everything like that, it'll take more or less time for the machine to fill up. So it gives itself a certain amount of time. So if you get this error, you're going to want to do a couple things. And they're basically all around making sure that the water can get to your machine. So you're going to want to come in behind and make sure that the water valves are on. Make sure there are no kinks or bends or anything too long, like too long of a hose going from the water source to your machine. Anything like that would prevent proper water flow from going from the source into the machine. The next thing you can check is inside the hose, the filter inside the hose. Make sure there's no clogs, make sure there's no buildup of debris inside the water intake hose. So if you check those things, you should be able to figure out where the problem is in terms of water getting into the machine. And if you're able to get water into the machine, you should be able to get rid of this E11 error. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.